Welcome to Sadik Digital Meterworks. Today we are going to see Volkswagen Polo 2020. You can see there is no kilometer in the display because the service indication is blinking there. We have to reset the service indicator, then the kilometer will come on the display. This is the service indicator. For reset, we have to press the two buttons and then we have to on the cluster. Now we will test. We can reset it or not. The reset is still there. Again we will reset it. Now the reset is gone. The service is gone and the kilometer is there. Now we will open it. With the Xtool ORG, we can read this MCU. We have to connect the wires and we have to lift the pin, third pin. Here is the connection. Now connected the wires with Xtool ORG, that is the lifted pin. Now we are going to read the MCU with the help of Xtool ORG. It's locked MCU. It will take some more time to read the MCU. NEC 850. This is secured. So we have to read in secured MCU. After read, you have to check the data that the data is okay or not. If you see all FF, you have to read it again. If you not check the data, then you will spoil the data. So it will take more time to unlock and read the MCU. First you have to read the data flash and then you have to read the flash. To change the kilometer, it will ask for both data. Now unlocked and it is reading the data flash. And save it properly. And then you have to read the flash. Flash will take time. In this case, you can also change the cluster also. If someone spoil the cluster, then you can change the read this data and you can change the cluster also. You can see it will take time to read the flash. After changing the kilometer, the data flash only change the kilometer. The flash remains the same because the security reason the Xtool will ask both data to change the kilometer. If you get any water damage cluster or a damaged cluster, you can change the data to another cluster and you can on it. If you spoil the data, the vehicle will not start. It's reading now. Flash is reading. It will take more than data flash. After successfully read, you have to check the data whether there is data or not. Now the flash has been read successfully, and save it properly. Now go to the dashboard calculator or NEC calculator. There you can see it will ask for both datas. Flash and data flash you have to load there and change the kilometer. Now you are going to change the kilometer. After set kilometer you have to save it properly and then you have to write to the cluster. You have to write properly data flash into data flash and flash into flash. Don't change the flashes, then you will spoil the cluster. Now I have saved both. Then you have to load it and go back to the read segment and you have to load it. I am checking now the both data has properly changed the kilometer. See, it has been changed the kilometer. Lot of the places. Lot of the places has been changed. Now it's okay. And the flash you will see no changes. It will be the same. No changes is there. The kilometer stored in only data key and kilometer stored in data flash only. Now I am going to write back again. If you select data flash, you have to write the data flash. It will erase the MCU and then it will write. It will ask for, the software will ask for that. Now it's writing. The data flash always write faster because the data is very small, but the flash will take time to write it. Now I am writing the flash. It will take some time. See, it's writing. After write, you have to solder the lift pin properly and then only you can check it. It's a big data, so it's taking time to write fully. If you want to change the cluster, you have to check the serial number of the cluster, then only it will match. Now it's going to finish. Yes, right, okay. Now we have to desolder all the wires and we have to solder the lifted pin. All done. Now we are going to check whether it has been changed or not. Yes, it has been changed. 73 201. Done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.